We just need to work on this. I mean, it's progress. It's progress. We just need to keep this thing going, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying. You
know what will help?
What's that?
My orange wood beard oil.
Dang, okay.
All right? I'll send you home with it.
Okay.
On the house.
Dang.
I mean, you were here for 2 hours, so.
I put in the effort, the time.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the bearded and the not so bearded, today is finally the day. We have our first volunteer to sit in Dan's Beard's chair. Please introduce yourself.
What's going on, guys? I'm TJ. I'm very excited for this. I've been waiting for about a month to get a cut from Dan's beard.
All right, so let's preface this situation with, all right, so this channel is essentially built off of me cutting my own hair and trimming my beard, but to be completely transparent, I don't think I've ever cut anyone else's hair. Actually, earmuffs. I don't think I've ever cut anyone else's hair.
Oh no.
But actually, when I was younger, I have a twin brother, and we used to cut each other's hair, and I was actually just telling him, one of us cut one of our ears, but I can't remember whose ear was cut, but it did happen. So I'm gonna have to get back to you on that to figure out the details on that. Nonetheless, yeah, this is gonna be a first, pretty much, because that was probably 20, 25 years ago. So it's gonna be very interesting. I don't think he knew that before this.
I did not. Wasn't prepared.
But I actually am prepared in a sense. Worst case situation, his hair will be completely jacked up, but at least he'll look really cool. Alrighty, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep his sideburns here. You know what? Let me do it over this side. We're gonna keep his sideburns, and whatever length he has right here, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start the fade at that length, but I don't know what that length's gonna be. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start with a 1. Well, you know what? We'll start with a 1 open and see how that looks. Alright, so I'll spin it this way. A lot shorter than I thought. Actually, I think that's pretty good. So a 1 open is what we're at. So I'll go around here. You nervous, bro?
No, man.
I'm nervous.
You got this. I believe in you.
Now you're a phenomenal wingman. Yeah, my brother and I, we used to cut each other's hair all the time, but we did that. Do you remember that that undercut where the hair is long on top?
Yeah, man. That was the jam back then.
Yeah, we used to just do that all the time.
Yeah, I used to have that haircut. All right, so what we've done here so far is I've just taken the 1 and I've kind of made a guideline across the top. And I think what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a clipper over comb or comb over clipper. I'm not really sure what it's called. But I've seen people do it, so I think it's on the right track. So what that's going to do is it's basically going to give shape up here as opposed to just slowly bringing that fade up. We're not going to do much of a fade going up. We might do a little bit of a fade going down, but for now I just want to get the shape up here because he wants to pretty much keep all this length. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. Yeah, I just want to do some short stuff. Dang, bro, you don't have any grays. I'm getting there. I think I had 1 I pulled out, so I'm probably gonna get 7 more right there.
A lot better than me. It's like now I'm like, ah, screw it.
Just let it go.
All right, we slipped a 2 on because we are going to blend this right here with the top. And then after that, we're going to start working out this body right here. And one thing that happened was these clippers, as I was doing the fade, this was loose. So
when I pressed it against the head, it slipped down, so I've tightened it back up, so hopefully it'll stay out. Open. Okay, so now this is where the real barber stuff is going to come into play that I am clueless on.
Too bad right there. Well, it actually looks pretty good.
But I was kind of freaked out for a little bit because this was so out. But it looks fine when it's like this. Now they call this lever play, what I'm doing right now. Just barely touching the lever to get the line out.
Back we go.
I watched that on YouTube today.
Oh yeah?
Can you check this out? Can you see this? So this is a wall trimmer. This is I think this is their, let me see here, 100th anniversary limited edition. So this is kind of big time. I don't know why I have this, because this is far beyond my my caliber, my skills. I don't know though. Check him out though. Look at that. Look at that. Do a little spin around, bro. Do a little spin around. Dang! I think it looks okay.
Think so too.
I think the light is making it look worse than it is. Let's see here.
I understand what you're saying.
Okay, let's see. Do this.
Actually, dude, it looks pretty clean.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right. The moment that we've all been waiting for. Well, at least I have, and he hasn't. I mean, he's been waiting the past 2 hours for this moment. Here we are. Ta-da! Now, please don't be too critical, but go ahead. You know what? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, I know there's a lot more that I can do with this haircut, especially back here. I could probably clean this up more to kind of even out the fade, if you will. But he says it's fine, and I'm sure it's just because he wants to get the heck out of here, because it's been like 2 hours? 2 hours? Maybe 3. I don't know. We have to check the tape. But, I mean, I'm super stoked. This is the first time that I've cut someone else's hair in probably 25 years. Seriously. So, I mean, it's not too bad. I've got a lot worse haircuts from an actual barber than this right here, I think, to be honest. What are your thoughts?
I think it's great, you know? For your first try, you attempted it and you did really well. Took a couple hours, but it's been a couple hours of bonding and just chatting it up, and I definitely think you did a really good job.
Thank you, man. Now the thing that I do really like is the neckline. Like, you know what? I think as far as the whole lining them up, I think that was good. Huh? So, I mean, at least there's one positive out of this whole situation.
Oh, yeah.
That, and we were able to chat it up a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. Getting to catch up.
All right, you guys. I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. And until next time, peace!
Peace out.
We out.